What's up guys, Mohammad Abdullah here. Just a couple of weeks ago, at the Samsung Unpacked event, Samsung unveiled its new Note flagships, the Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, which came with brand new processors, actually industry's first 7nm EUV processors. Don't get confused by the name or anything. I'll explain everything there is to know about the processors and the names in just a moment. Well, let's start off with the name. EUV stands for Extreme Ultraviolet Lithography, which basically means that the processor is manufactured through a more efficient 7nm process. Now, on to the main part where we discuss this processor's true capabilities. Well, the Samsung Exynos 9825 is an 8 core processor. The cores consist of 4 Cortex A75 cores, 2 of which are overclocked for better multi-core performance. The rest 4 are 4 Cortex A55 cores for more energy efficient work. This tri-cluster setup manages to get a single core Geekbench score of around 4500 while a multi-core score of around 10200, which basically means you can load any heavy application without any issues and do some photo or video editing without really any issues at all. That was the CPU side. Now on to the GPU side. Well, the Samsung Exynos 9825 has a Mali G76 GPU which is overclocked from its predecessor, the Samsung Exynos 9820, which means it gets better graphical power than its predecessor and hence it can play almost any big title at 60 FPS. Although still, I think that the Snapdragon 855 gets better GPU performance than the Exynos 9825, especially now because the Snapdragon 855 Plus is out, which has 30% higher performance than its predecessor, the Snapdragon 855. The camera performance is basically where this processor starts to shine, as its image signal processor and graphical and computational power make it capable of recording 8K video. That is something the red professional cinema cameras are able to do, and they cost almost 10 times as much as the smartphones this chip is fitted into, not to mention the weight and size of those professional cameras. Overall, I think this is a great processor at almost everything, but now it has serious competition from the likes of the Snapdragon 855 Plus and of course the upcoming Apple A13, which will be coming out alongside the new iPhones in just a couple of weeks. I guess that concludes this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.